Looking for a docking station that can help you do 4 monitors? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew. Today we're going to be taking a look at the TobenONE 20-in-1 4-monitor USB-C docking station. It's beautiful and it's just awesome. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it.
Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to take a look at this TobenONE DisplayLink USB-C docking station. This is a 20-in-1 docking station for 4 monitors. Packaging looks very nice, very sleek, pretty simplified. Let's go ahead and open it up. First thing you see in the box is this guide right here. It has the warranty information, it has the ports information, and everything listed that they do, so very nice. Even has a QR code for contacting support. On the back, it's got some additional information for how to set up the monitors. Very cool. Look at that quick start guide. This thing, very important. We have our power cable here, and this looks very similar to a laptop charging brick right here, so very cool. It's good confidence to know that you're going to get plenty of power to your docking station. The USB-C to C cable is included. This is going to be important because these are usually rated to handle more power, more data transfer, so this will go from the display port or the host port on the docking station and plug directly into your laptop or your computer. Looks like we have some form of stand here, and I'm going to guess that the docking station will go inside of this, and this will give you a way to not lay it flat, but to be able to lay it more on its side. And the docking station itself, wow, this thing looks very nice. It feels very high quality. It's kind of like a metal on the outside here. Looks like we got our power button. We've got a C to C port right here, so 2 USB-C ports. Both are 18 watts, so that's very nice. We got some USB-A ports right here, micro SD, and got an SD and micro SD card reader right here, headphone microphone jack. On the back, my goodness, look at this thing. It is fully loaded. HDMI, DP, HDMI, DP, HDMI, DP. So right there, you got the 4 dedicated HDMIs on this thing. Super cool. This is your host port. It's very cool that they listed 2 laptops, so you don't have to worry about it. Looks like we got a data cable right here as well, and then we have our Ethernet port. Very nice. As I mentioned the stand before, just to show what that looks like, it does wedge in there like this. So again, you can place it out vertically and not have to lay it flat. So that's really cool in itself. This thing looks awesome. Let's go ahead and try it out.
This is the TobenONE DisplayLink docking station with 4 monitor setups. It's a 20-in-1 quad 4K at 60Hz HDMI DK display docking station. Enhanced expansion connection. This universal docking station can expand to 4 displays and features 20 ports. Equipped with 4 HDMI, 4 DP, 3 USB 3.2s, 2 USB-C 3.2s, 1 USB 2.0, along with SD and micro SD card slots, Ethernet, and audio ports. Quad monitor docking station is suitable for professional multitasking, meeting all your needs for connecting high-speed peripherals and optimizing workflow, effortlessly enhancing work efficiency. And as I mentioned, quad display. The upgraded DisplayLink 4 monitor docking station features 4 HDMI and 4 DP ports, allowing for both Windows laptops and MacBooks to connect up to 4 external monitors. Do keep in mind that M1 chip MacBooks can only extend to 3 monitors. And all monitors deliver a stunning 4K at 60Hz resolution, providing a seamless multitasking experience. Powerful and convenient charging with a 150 watt power adapter. This quad display docking station can provide your laptop with 100 watts of charging power for fast charging, and the docking station's USB-C port supports up to 18 watts of phone charging, making it an ideal choice for keeping your workspace tidy. Universal compatibility. The DisplayLink Thunderbolt 4 docking station works seamlessly with Windows laptops, that's Windows 10 Plus, MacBooks and Mac Minis and Android systems. It supports Thunderbolt 3, Thunderbolt 4, Thunderbolt 5, and USB 4 and USB-C ports. Also compatible with Chrome OS 100 Plus and Mac OS 11 Plus and Ubuntu system. And you're gonna have to install DisplayLink drivers to make sure you get all those monitor uses. So pretty easy to do. Go over to the DisplayLink website and get that installed, and then you can do quad monitor setups. Each TobenONE docking station comes with a 2-year defect coverage and long-term technical support. TobenONE understands the importance of customer service and have a dedicated support team to assist with any issues, ensuring your purchase experience is fully protected. So if you have any problems, reach out to TobenONE. TobenONE, you done it again. Another fantastic product. This docking station is awesome. 20 ports, that's crazy. Great job. As you guys know, we've worked at TobenONE multiple times in the past, and their products are always fantastic and high quality, and they just seem to keep getting better and better. It's almost like the brand is listening to the customer and giving you guys what you want. This docking station doing 20-in-1 and 4 monitor is just so packed full of amazing features. It's just very much so. It is chef's kiss. We want to give a huge shout out to TobenONE for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.